Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I get water wave hair using expression hair. So before we start, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also like, comment, and share this video. Today's video, I'm using expression hair as well as flexi rods. So first of all, I'm just starting by cutting the hair in two. And I'm just gonna go ahead and feather the end. Like you want to feather or stretch them out so that it has a nice end. After feathering the hair, you want to go ahead and comb out. Make sure that you're taking out all the knots and the hair, and then you just want to make sure that everything looks seamless and ready to go. So you're gonna also feather the other side if you need to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and separate them and get them ready to be rolled. So after I section my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my flexi rods. There's different type of flexi rods. There is big, medium, small. I took the blue one. The blue one, it's more on the side of the smaller side. So that's one that I'm gonna use today just to achieve that curly pattern. And when you're gonna take the hair to wrap it around, just fold the hair in half, and you want to create kind of like a loop where you folded the hair so that you can insert it in the flex rod. But just go ahead and watch, and it's probably easier. Okay, so you just want to go ahead and put it in the flexi rod, and then at the top you're actually gonna fold the flexi rod so that way like the hair doesn't move while you're twisting it around. So you just want to fold the top just like that, and then after you fold it, what I do is I twist the hair by itself before I twist it around the flexi rod. So I'm going to twist it once, and then I'm going to go ahead and twist it around the flexi rod. And when you're twisting it around the flexi rod, just make sure that you're leaving enough space in between the hair, because if it's too tight, your hair is going to come out super curly. I don't want mine to be like that, so I'm just leaving space in between every like when I turn the hair. So when you're done rolling out all the hair around, you're just going to go ahead and fold the end again, just like we did at the beginning. You're going to fold so that the hair doesn't unravel, and then you're just going to take some pair of scissors and just cut any flyaways that you see so that it has a nice finish. So I'm going to show you guys this step one more time. Just gonna boil some hot water and pour it in the pour it in a bowl with the hair, so that way it can curl. So you just want to let it sit in the water for about a minute to two. After you do that, you want to take out the hair so that you let it air dry, or you can go ahead and blow dry it. And then once you let it air dry or blow dry, you want to go ahead and just unravel the hair. Just be careful when you're unraveling it, because you don't want to create like any knots, or like you don't want to ruin the curls, so just be gentle. And there you go. This is how it looks when it's all done. So you can just unravel everything, and honestly, like, this is a much cheaper way. Like if you want to save some coins or whatever, just buy yourself some expression hair. Like 1 pack or 2 would be enough to do a full head. I know with like free tress, you need about like 5 to 6 packs to do like a crochet crochet style. So for this one, you can honestly just use 2 packs and it's gonna be enough. Or like if you have some hair, like expression hair that you've never used, that's some leftover, you can honestly just go ahead and do this. And this is also good like if you want to do passion twist. This will be a nice style too for that. So I just went ahead and undid everything, and so yeah, so this is how it looks. Honestly, like I love it. Like it looks really really nice, and it's super cheap too. So yeah guys, that's it for my video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it was helpful to someone out there. If you guys do recreate this video, please tag me in the video on Instagram or on like your social media, and hopefully it was helpful to someone else. And please subscribe, like, and comment, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and your family. Thank you for watching, and see you guys